In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check which Canva plan you're currently subscribed to. If you need to confirm whether you're on a free plan or a paid plan in Canva, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can quickly find your subscription details without getting lost in the menu. Start from your Canva homepage. This is the main screen you see after logging into your account, where you can access your recent designs, templates, and other tools. Once you're there, look for your profile area. Depending on the device you're using, this is usually located in the top corner of the screen and may appear as your profile photo, initials, or account icon. Click on your profile to open the account menu. After the profile menu opens, find and select Settings. This is where Canva keeps the main options related to your account, preferences, and overall account management. If you don't see it immediately, take a second to scan the menu carefully, since the layout can sometimes look slightly different depending on updates to the platform or whether you're using Canva on a browser. Once you're inside Settings, go to Billing. This section contains your subscription and payment-related information, so it's the place you'll want to check anytime you need to review your current plan. Click into Billing to continue. There, you'll be able to see the plan you're currently subscribed to. This is where Canva shows whether you're using a free account or one of their paid options. If you manage more than one team or workspace, make sure you're viewing the correct account area, since billing details can sometimes be tied to a specific workspace rather than your personal profile. That's all you need to do. To quickly recap, go to your Canva homepage, open your profile, select Settings, and then click Billing. In that section, you'll see the plan you're subscribed to. This is a helpful thing to check if you want to verify your subscription before making changes, reviewing charges, or confirming which features are included in your account. Follow those same steps anytime you need to check again, and you should be able to find the information in just a few seconds.